Hello guys, this is Ajji. You watching Ajji? Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap on bell icon for instant update notifications. Yeah, you can see this lightning cable, Apple lightning cable, and the adapter, and these AirPods. Yeah, in this video I'm gonna clean this lightning cable because the white one gets easily dirty. Check it out how it does. It looks like. Let me show you. Yeah, almost in brown color, and this is a simple way to clean this. Clean your white cables or lightning cables or any Apple products, because Apple products are accessories are in white color only, almost in white color only. This is the easiest way to clean them, and they will shine it like literally new accessories. Let's start the video. And by the way, I'm showing only, in this video I'm just cleaning this adapter and the lightning cable. In the other next video I will show you how to clean the earpods. This in this video I'm gonna use this turpentine oil, which is used in the painting works. You can buy from the hardware shops anywhere. Otherwise you can use any soap detergent or liquid detergent. You can use this Brill or something, like anything, and you can use like vinegar. Yeah, you can use vinegar also. In this video I'm using this turpentine oil. Take a soft cloth like this or any cotton cloth. Take a small amount of liquid. And begin from the starting of the cable like this. Yeah, you may see the change. It looks like a new, pretty new device. Yeah. And this do this movement till the end of the wire, unless the black one erase and it looks like a new one. The new wire. And look at this, it's finally the wire, yeah, shines like a new one after cleaning. And it's time to clean the adapter. It is so, not so bad, but I need to clean it. Yeah, you may see the difference from the starting and the now. Yeah, it was totally clean. It was shining now. That's it for now. That's it for and see you in the next video. And the next video will be how to clean this AirPods, I mean Apple earpods. This is how, this is the next video. I mean, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap on bell icon for instant update notifications.